of the special things I want to show to you in this video is an electric power conversion we just did to a Marshall catboat. Catboats are sailboats that are real common here in Cape Cod. This one had a Yanmar 1GM10 diesel engine, which we removed, repowered with an Elco unit. It is solar electric. The batteries are underneath the seats. The solar panels are up on the bow and hidden in a boom tent. And the whole thing turned out really great. So I wanted to show everyone in this video. Thank you for watching. Cruising along in an 18-foot Marshall Cat. The owner, David, is kind enough to allow us to pull the diesel engine out, replace it with an electric motor, which we are out testing today in Cape Cod near Cotuit, heading out towards the ocean. As you can tell, I'm speaking normal volume. The motor's completely silent. We're all solar electric. There's a solar panel on the front that has charged these batteries up, and we're doing about 5 or 6 knots here. No vibration, no heat,